lesson today, shall we? I want to cook tasty pasta. For this I need pasta, bacon, peas, onion and Parmesan cheese. Let's wash our hands first. Let's go! First we cut the onions. Maybe ask your parents to help you. Your eyes might sting. My mummy helped me a little bit. I put the onions into this bowl because I need the cutting board. Next is the bacon. I cut my bacon into small pieces. I think my mummy has to help me. You don't have to add bacon, but I like it. So, bacon done. Let's grate the Parmesan cheese. Ooh, you look yummy. I bet it will be yummy. Hard. It's cheesy. A superhero saves the day. This is a quicker way. Yummy. That should be enough. Oh. I can't stop it. Now we need to fry the bacon. Ask your parents to help you fry your bacon. In goes bacon. Oh, it looks yummy. Oh, that smells so nice. Really hungry. While the bacon is frying, I'm going to prepare stock. Now let's stir it. When the bacon is nearly done, we need to add the onion. And stir it. Oh, I love this smell. It's yummy, isn't it? Does anyone like bacon? I love bacon. And onion, of course. Because there is onion in there. Now I need to add the stock. And back on the hob. When it starts bubbling, add the peas. And stir it again. If you like it, you can add a bit of pepper. I asked my mummy to boil the pasta for me. I'm so hungry. I'm stirring again. Nearly done. I'm hungry, but this is making me hungry. That's a joke. Oh. The last thing is sprinkle the cheese on top. Ooh, it looks yummy, you guys. Can't wait. Bon appetit, everyone. So yummy. Bye bye. See you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. If you like this video, please hit the like button and click subscribe.